Gonna give YouTube a few seconds, per usual. It's already late. We're going to be doing a little bit of tedious work today. Hey everyone, this is Omar, Wright, and today we're developing From Their Ashes in Unreal Engine. So, I got busy working a little bit since the last stream. Got a better angle and I got a character inside the game now. And it's little animations, the enemies even animated as well. So, to demonstrate, put some fonts from Kenny into the game and customize the buttons a little bit towards the style how I want the game to be. Quit quits, start starts. Battle starts. Enemy does a little bit more damage now. I got rid of the luck. And we have a game over menu. Restart from last save. Doesn't actually load a save data, it's just triggers the battle again. Put shuffle back on, yeah. And quits the menu, take us to the main menu, and we can quit. So we have a loop. And if we were to adjust some values, make sure y'all can see this. Battle interface, battle manager right here. If we win the battle, this a little bit more, we get returned to the battle map. Hey Key. And that's how far we got. Or how far I got after the on my own time. So let's see today. So we got the main menu, game over. We need to do dialogue, finish out the turn combat and dialogue. That's done. Shows 3D. We got a tilt shift shader. You can't really see it now because it's not much in the environment now, but the tilt shift is the effect on cameras that make things look like toys. Let me see if I can find an example, because I wanted this game to feel more toy boxy. Let me see. Let me see if I can find an example. It's like this effect right here. This is the effect that's affecting the environment right now. So things will look like tiny, like toys, like you're in an airplane type of deal. Just right above everybody. I also got to start doing items. That's not in here. For this demo, I need items. So there's weapons, equipment, and consumables. Maybe key items as well. Let's drag this over here so I can have this in view. Okay. But today, we're going to have characters spawn in our battle map. We're going to, have the characters spawn in the battle map, have their damage be displayed every time they get hit. And I think we'll work on NPC dialogue as well today. I think we can get that done in like 3 hours. So, so the first challenge is once we go to this battle map, we want to have this be 0, 0, 0 point in the world. The world origin, essentially. And we want the front view for this. We want this to be just at the line. And we're going to span this out. So what I want to do is have an actor that has our spawn points, our battle camera, and I wouldn't say has our battle camera, it spawns our battle camera. So BP actors. So we want an actor. This will be our, what's the best thing to call it? It'll be our, let's say battle spawner. Because I can't think of a better name. So what we want to do is create another actor. I wonder if we can put this actor into that actor. And these will be our battle spawn points. So I'm gonna see if we can add, nope. We cannot. we'll use this another time. But we'll use these as walking points in the future for our NPCs to walk. So we're gonna have to do inside the spawner. We're going to drag this into the world. 0, 0. We want a arrow that points to the direction that everything's spawning. It's this red arrow right here. I'll change it to another color so you can see it more clearly. Yeah, that color. That'll work. So, it's just so we can stay true to what's north. And we see that's north there. So, the dilemma I have is I'm not sure what style of combat positioning I want for this game. Let me see if I can pull up drawings for y'all, just so y'all can see examples. So, A or B. This is A for how the characters should be lined up, like this, or like this. This is B. I can't decide which one I prefer more, and it greatly influences the art style. This is A. This is B. While y'all decide, I'll be making spawn points. So we want capsules. I know, that's why it's such a hard decision. Do a text renderer. I'm guessing you're talking about this one, where you're right behind a character, versus this one where you're like above you. It's one of my favorite views because it reminds me of one of my favorite games, Breath of Fire. I think it's like Breath of Fire 4 or 5. Let me see. Breath of Fire 4. Yeah, 4. I remember seeing my cousin play that game a lot. This game. They Don't make them like they used to. Game was a G. One of the greatest, the GOATs. I do not remember the plot at all. And it was animated so beautifully too, considering how old the game is. It's rivaling games now after it. Color, color, color. There we go. Shape color. We're just gonna do one for now because it's only gonna be us and the enemy. Not sure how far away. This will be red for the enemy. Test, there it is. Enemy spawn. Cool. Enemy spawn point 1. Player spawn point 0, 0. I don't know why I did 1 when I know it's 0, 0. So I want to take this and take this, make array, make array, take this, burn it to a variable, this will be player spawn points enemy spawn points. And battle. No, we don't need to add a battle manager. Hit player controller. We want to get component by class. And we want it to be the battle manager. From there, battle manager, we want to make sure, is it valid? If it is valid, we need to go back over here. We want to start battle, and starting battle will spawn battle spawner. And we want to spawn at their friend class. And it's going to be battle spawner. We want to split this and make sure its location and rotation is exposed, and make sure we can edit that later. Then we want to promote this to a variable, call it a day. To battle spawner. And there are our battle spawner. So another thing we want to spawn is our camera. So we want to take a spring arm, toss that in there. And then attach a temporary camera for now. Just so we can get the angle and stuff right. Eventually it's just going to be a spawn point. Then from there, we decide. Then we can start customizing the battle camera. But we just want to make sure we get the angles and stuff first. Hold on, somebody ring my doorbell. I'll be back in a second. Sorry about that. I'm back. My neighbor was trying to figure out how to send outgoing mail through our mailbox system. Very valid to ask. Oh, it's just friendly neighbor interaction. It's always funny to me because it's like ever since I got the house, being neighborly just seemed like one of the most necessary things to be. Because there's a lot of people that don't help. It's 30-degree angle, straight forward. I'm not even sure if it's working. Please auto-possess this camera. It is not auto-possessing the camera. Okay. Yeah, auto-activates. I wonder if I can just set this as the battle spawner. As the spawning character for this game mode. Because I need it for every time. None to the... It has to be a pawn. Yeek. Was it possess? I think that's all I had to do. We want to spawn the battle spawner before anything. No. It'll be one of those challenges. Should go back to the battle manager. Print string. I don't know why thinking about the neighbor right now. It's like life like giving you side quests to accomplish. Just sitting here chilling, and then next thing you know, somebody needs help. I know it spawns because I see it. But I like to have that print string just in case I ever had to troubleshoot something in the future with it. I don't need this anymore. How to take over camera. UE4. Or camera switching. Okay. Set view. Get player controller. Set view. Target with blend. Possess, nope. Camera. View. This camera will be our biggest challenge today. Set view. Nope. Couldn't be that simple. Couldn't be that simple. Gotta check the manual. That's the wrong manual. Document. Not 5. I don't need 5. I need 4. Camera. Camera, integrating camera. Security cameras. Switch cameras. Camera view, yes. No, that's the wrong one. Well, I gotta ask the wise sages of Reddit. Switch cameras. View. That doesn't work. Yeesh. The wise sages found more complicated ways to do what I am trying to do. But they do verify I am on the right path. Let's do scene. Get rid of camera. We want to create a new blueprint. Let's do a camera actor. BP. Ashes. This will be our battle camera. It's literally just a scene component and a camera. So we'll take this, grab that, take it out of this, put it in here. Then you want to create actor from class. Hey, Dayhawk. It's gonna be battle camera. Split pin. Get this location. There you go. This is camera spawn point. getting there. Trying to get this camera right. Let's get rid of rotation. It's like we're spawning inside the spawn, like in here, instead of spawning the camera to take over here. We had it working earlier. Oh, I think I know what. This is doing a collision test, and I don't want it to. Nope. It should be auto-activate too. Unfortunately, it's not that type of collision test. I did not imagine the camera being this much of a challenge. This is our battle camera. And it's spawn it so it works. Let's get world location. There we go. So weird. Yeah. I think that's too far away. That's closer. both of these above ground. Close enough. Now to modify the camera. Get rid of that constraint aspect ratio, and that got rid of the black bars that we were seeing top and bottom. Now we need to create a character base. This will be just an actor because we don't plan on moving them. BP ashes character battle base. And this will have a paper flip book. And it's going to be 8 times the size. I gotta create an unlit character sprite base. So we have that for now. Take this, set flip book. Starts all simple, but this is going to get super complicated and super big very quickly. This will be a paper flip book. This will be current animation. I'm gonna add a spring arm. And then sing. This will be our widget. Let's say damage. Spawn point. Want to make sure this doesn't do a collision test. Want an arrow. Rotate this 90. Take this arrow. Make sure this doesn't hit in game so we can actually see it. No collision tests. Yep. Rotate this. Go to Battle Manager. We do this. We want to go back to the battle graph. We want to assign player character. Which is we spawn after from class. And it'll be battle. We want to split this. We want to take the battle spawner and get player spawn points. Get a copy. And world location. We want to promote this to a variable. This will be character battle bases. Make an array. So I'm going to get this, add this to that. And you want a print string. Just want to make sure it doesn't appear. Spawn in player characters. And then we want to get over here to the battle graph. We want to spawn player characters. It's not working. Why are you not working? Always spawn or collision. That's not working. What if we leave just 0, 0? Leave here now? No, you're not. Ah, I know why. I know why. This is empty. We want to expose that variable. And if we were to refresh all nodes, we now have the current animation, and we want to select idle. Nice. I will sub to your more frequent one right after this. So now let's just spawn. Boom. Boom, 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 boom. Half height. There we go. Radius around that wide. Why are you still hitting? Spawn a little higher than I like. I guess they spawn in the middle. move you to the side. Now let's spawn the enemy. I've been trying to add new stuff to the mix, but sometimes the old stuff sneaks through. I don't need you anymore. Oh, it is? Nice. I'll definitely gotta look into that for the next stream. Battle spawner, battle manager, that's what we need. Duplicate. So it's gonna spawn enemy characters. Wahaha. Aha. Enemy battle bases. Now, why aren't you spawning? Because I don't trigger you. That's why. Yeah. Getting it. Now, most of the stuff will now happen here. Gonna create battle graph. We want to take damage. Oh wait, custom event, take damage. I'm gonna create another after opponent component. This will be our character. Battle stats. So need to import character sheet. Which is just going to be not a function, a variable. That's what I meant to do. But we need this function. So we're going to take this, all of this out of here. Put it here. Promote this to a variable. We probably don't need it to be promoted to a variable, but we're going to do it anyway. We need to make a reference to the battle manager. Going to promote this to variable. I need to play the latest Armored Core that just came out. Which is, get player controller. From player controller, we want to get component by class, and we want it to be the battle manager. And we're going to promote this to, I'm going to set this after we make sure it's valid. Battle manager, we need the battle interface, and then we want the players slot. Otherwise, if we're an enemy, select. This is all going to change because the enemy is going to have their GUI or their stats appear in Whirl. want to spawn. Oh, Omar, what are you doing? It's right here. Spawn character battle slot. This is character battle widget. All right, what's the error? Battle base, we want to add battle stats. We also want to create a widget. Ooh, I'm a little bit all over the place here, but it'll come together. Create a widget. WB ashes. Call this the pop-up damage. So we want this to be desired. There's going to be some text. Size of content, it'll be centered. It won't be. It's surprisingly simple to remember. You can just search it anyway in the search bar. Let's do 1 second. Destroy actor. Or it's a widget, so you gotta remove from parent. Actually, it don't need to be here. We can create another actor. And we add a widget component. We can do screen, and it'll be damage pop-up. Okay, we're just gonna have to pray and hope. Set a delay. And destroy actor. Excuse me. We want this. Let's do 50. Now set this to a integer, which should be damage amount. And we don't have to really touch that again, but I like it to be animated. So I guess we go back here. This will be a fade in. Go to timeline, add a track. For the text, we want to modify transform. Set a point here. Set a point there. Track. This is going to be render opacity. This one. Set this to 0. Maybe a small lift. You can see here. Hit start. If it would start, play here. Just gonna fade up, go up there. I want it to stay there. For a little bit. Right here. Then at the last half a second, go back. Just fade away. And we need this. Get play. This. Gonna get this widget. Gonna set damage. Cast to no. Get widget. No. Get widget. Cast to pop up damage. If it is valid, you want to set damage amount. To make this instable and spawn. And even if we doesn't meet the cast, we still want to destroy this after 1 second. then back to this. We want to create widget or spawn actor, different class. Let's do the new blueprint. We'll change it later. And this is going to be the damage amount. Split. Get this. It's world location. Battle stats will be handling taking damage. Calculations. And I need damage amount. The reason why we created take damage here is just in case we want to animate the character. We want to trigger here as well. And from here, taking damage. That's actually a plan of mine. I'm planning on having robots in this game that just explode and do splash damage. Or AoE damage. Take damage. Don't have the, let's say this is character battle base. We want to take damage. It's gonna be a lot of in between here. Character battle base. And we want to go back to here. We want to get owner. Cast to character battle base. This is going to check to see if the character battle base has attached to it. It's attached to, I should say. And then from there, we receive damage and we call it a day. This will be handled somewhere else, but we need this now just for testing. Now we get this. We get a copy. And we take damage. This should be the enemy. We'll have targeting later. Nope. Omar. That. It is battle stats. There it is. We're going to spawn character battle stat. Cool. I'm getting there. One and one. Should be 200. Only seeing one of y'all take damage. Why is that? Why is only one of y'all taking damage? I heard Roblox was going out of business. I haven't looked too much into why they're going out of business, though. It's not here. Over here. Over here. Spawn. Enemy battle slot. Gonna have a hell of a time cleaning up this code or programming or this web of connections. This is hard coded name. That's what I do most of the time. Just let it sit there. Okay. Let's get data table row. Character sheets. Route to variable. Character sheet. Battle stats. Where is this reference? Damn, we want to spawn battle slots. This will change for sure later. Battle manager, there it is. Change this to enemies, and we're golden. Say update HP value. So I want to take this battle widget. I want to open it up. I don't have to do that. I just set current. Remove HP value. Which is going to be current. Actually, it should be update. You were right the first time, Omar. We will be updating this. We'll be taking this number, get current break, Omar. We'll be taking our HP value. Actually, we don't have to do that. I do have to add that to this table. We don't have to do that. I can import that after the stream. It's gonna be a lot of just busy work. That's usually what I do. All stream is just a whole bunch of busy work. Take the damage and then we update HP value. And then if we update the value of HP, if it is less than or equal to 0, you want to promote this to a variable. Dead. And if we're dead, we want a value here. We're gonna get this and branch off. we're dead, we can't do anything. Update dead state. So you want to set this based upon what we updated to, because we will be able to revive characters fairly soon. Come on, come on. And it stopped. Cool. Just want to see it stop. So they're both dead. So what I want to happen we want to check for game over. And we're going to do some local variables is going to be booleans. It'll be player party dead, enemy party dead. As Roach's player dead, party. From there, we want to set it eventually. For each battle stats. Dead. That's the best way to do this. You got to think a little bit. So if one is false, we want to break it. We want to first establish that the player party is not dead. If at least one character is alive. Could be the first one, could be the last one we checked. We just want to make sure they're alive. So we want these to be on by default. And no matter what, even if you killed all the enemies and they did a splash damage and you die, you have to start all back over. If you're dead, we want to display game over. Then from there, we want to check the enemies. We're going to assume all the enemies are dead unless one of them is alive. Hell yeah. We're cooking. Then, based upon this, if it's true that the enemy's dead, say battle is over, so not to do anything else. I'm going to set battle is over here. Then event graph, we want to tick checking constantly if the battle's over. I'm going to get this, get that. Or the game is over or the battle is over branch. We want to do nothing. We're gonna stop calling this. And we're dead instantly. Okay. And we need another one for pin and actually before we do any of that, we'll need another one for battle in progress. Go to battle graph. Once we spawn them, battles in progress. Cool. Ooh. Humble beginnings. And we had 5 minutes to spare, and we did all that. What else was I planning on? Dialogue. We still have to do items and equipment and stats affecting everything, but the turn-based combat is in there. This is all the MVP. I'm trying to make sure all of this is set up before I start diving into the extras. It's going to end with us losing, but it's fine. We have our main menu. You can walk around. We just need to be able to interact with NPCs. I might do that after stream. That's going to be a lot of tedious stuff. But I'll do it now. Let me first name this BP. Blueprint. Ashes. It's gonna be let's call this not damage, combat pop-up combat widgets. We're gonna take the enemy, duplicate it. This will be NPC world base. Still wanting to find a player, but we're not chasing anymore. Won't be a battle trigger area. I'll leave chase a player just in case. And then return home. And this is gonna be I shouldn't have got rid of the other one. But it's gonna be a spear collision. Make it bigger. This is gonna be our interaction area for now. And we want to duplicate this, drag this up. And we want this to say press E to interact. Or to talk. Create a we're gonna have to create an interface. Interface. Hoping to avoid this. Blueprint. Nope. Yep, right here, blueprint interface. Interactions. So we want to request interaction. And we want to get interaction state for another one. There's some cool stuff we can do with this. Y'all gonna see, like, when we talk to an NPC, we can have it trigger a different dialogue if it's been interacted with, for example. We will have player choice dialogue. We don't need battle map. Player character, no. We do need max walk speed. Simple move to location. Oh yeah, class. We want to add interaction. Boom. Now it has that in common. So now we can right click, request, interaction, event, request interaction. We want to create widget, add to viewport. It'll be game over, just so you have an example. And then we want to go back to our player character. Super simple. After we create something like that, we want to add an actor to interact with. I'm gonna make this an actor. And then when we press E, we'll make it E. There it is. This isn't proper, but it's good enough to get done what we need to get done. So we press E. We want to take actor to interact with. Interface. Or request an interaction. I'm going to send an interaction message to it. It's valid. And we want to print string. I have no one to talk to. And this one will say hello. And now we go back to our NPC. Where are you, NPC? Right here. We want to change this from roaming enemy to NPC. We want to set actor to interact with to self. Interaction area. We want to have this, not that area. It should be begin overlap. If the other actor is this, blah blah blah. It's after they interact with, so here, but also if we're character leaves, we want to set this back to nothing. Because we don't want to still interact with something. I'll just make it an empty one for now. And we want this text box to be switching visibility. You want it to be visible here and invisible down here. Jumping the gun. We never put the NPC in the world. I had no one to talk to. I had no one to talk to. Game over. Simple. So we're gonna create a simple dialogue widget. Basically, it's basically what just happened. Let me talk to that ghost lady. Bad actions. Dialogue menu. I should do menu for it. Dialogue. I'm gonna add text. Call this dialogue. Window. Menu. And we go back to the NPC. The dialogue. Dialogue menu, yay. We need to stop the player from being able to do input. But that'll be for another time. Well, I appreciate y'all coming to see me live stream tonight. The next live stream will be Tuesday of this game. I might do it a bit earlier of a stream, but I will have most of this done. It's probably going to be artwork we're going to be doing for that stream. Try to populate the world a bit just to plan things out for it. And I think that's it. I do plan on playing the next Hollow Knight. I heard that's coming out soon. I think it's the 4th of September. So look forward to that being my life for the rest of the year until I beat that game. Well, love y'all, appreciate y'all, and I'll see y'all Tuesday. Oh yeah, Terraria too. Look forward to streaming that with you.